All right, my buddy has a condo for rent. 2 smart locks. I checked them. They're the new generation. I'm gonna show you guys how to drill them without damaging, basically. I'm not gonna do this one because this door I'll just take off easy. Then the next one I will do for the guys that want to know how to do it. Okay, this door is locked, technically, but it's unlocked. This one I didn't do a very good job. Wow, look at that. 2 deadbolts. Which one's locked? We don't know. That's pretty funny. Somebody in there? It's supposed to be vacant. Hello. Alright, well, anyway. This is how you open these with minimal damage. Or hopefully no damage at all. We'll see right now. But it might scratch up the face a little bit. So you take this cover off. This one's actually coming off pretty good. Some of them are real loose and they just come right off. This one wants to be a hair difficult. There we go. Okay, this will actually work. Okay, cover's off. You can see the screws now. And let me take this one off. Cool, you can see the screws on this one. The only time this won't work, this one, see, got a little damage, but I will fix it, put it back in. We'll have one little scratch on it. If they had those cover plates, which some of them do, then this will not work. But this one does not, so find a drill bit. Dull is actually better. That fits in there. All right, so here's what you do. You got the drill bit, come right up against it, push hard. Kind of need 2 hands. That screw is inside there right now. There you go, that lock is off. Those screws will work just fine. See, no damage. I'll show you once I get the door fully open. Well, let's see, maybe there's only one lock locked. We have no idea. He has no idea. There you go. I guess I could have left that one on. Well, I need to take it off anyway. Anyway, here's your screws. See, no damage. They will go right back on. You just basically using a drill bit to unthread it from the inside. There you go. All right, guys, this is why I'm known as the break-in specialist. 3 locks, well, this one wasn't locked. Down a little bit. Even if it was. So I got through 2 of them. I will lock that bottom one now. So I got through this one and this one, no damage. That's it, we're all done.